Yo, what is good, everybody? Another trade recap, another day, another W, bro. That's how we're doing it. And yeah, bro, let's get right into it. So this is yesterday's trade recap. So Thursday, well, today's trade recap. So again, coming to the day, obviously I have everything up here. I've got all my draws marked out up here, right? In terms of bias, like yeah, we're at 0.786 of the range already. So we may be looking at a rejection area. So you see we tap this 0.786 over here, we resweep it, soup it, and we can continue to look to a kind of a continuation up here, maybe manipulate these highs and then continue down. So that's what my context is that for the day. Again, it's context. I don't have a bias for the day. It's more of like what happens. I just react to it. So I'm just marking out some of these 1 minute draws because liquidity is liquidity, whether it's on the 1 minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. So from there, right, this is market open. We see let me just connect my mic, but let's see what price does when we start. All right, so we create an SMT and we fail to deliver down. We make another relative equal low right here. All right, we displace up, right? We've made an SMT with NQ right here with this low, right? We've taken that. All right, let's see what we do. All right, another SMT. We're at 0.786 of the range. ES is lagging behind, so yeah, we should see these relative equal highs get taken. We got nice engulfing candle up. We don't deliver up, we deliver down. All right, so now I'm thinking, all right, we can take out these lows and then look for a reversal sequence to go up, or if it's a failed reversal sequence to the downside, to go down. Right, let's see what happens. All right, again we make SMT. Again, we don't displace down here, right? So far, right, we're seeing we've got so much liquidity down here. We've got like so much relative equal highs, relative equal lows. We are just chopping inside a range. We are failing to deliver to literally any draw. So obviously I know I have to wait because I know, like, again, this will probably not play out either if this hasn't played out, because on a normal day, this long right here would play out. This engulfing candle right here would play out, right, to the upside, or the failure of engulfing candle would play out to the downside, right? But again, we don't do that. We're chopping around, right? I know everything is really low probable. Again, we take this low over here, right? Again, we don't take out anything. We are purely chopping. So I know this is accumulation. I'm trying to wait for some manipulation to the downside or the upside, right? So again, SMTs upon SMTs, literally doing jack shit. All right, from here, we manipulate up, right? Again, we've got sort of a AMD right here, chopping, right? Want to see some sort of continuation down to these relative equal lows, right? So off of that, I want to see reversal sequence. All right, this might be a failed reversal sequence right here, right? We don't want to go back up. All right, we make SMT with this low right here, right? I want to see us go all the way up, right? That's really, really good. All right, we have reversal sequence right here. So we have a soup. Sorry. So we take out this high, right, in light of sellers, resweep them to have the actual move down. I could have taken something like this, but again, it's not as good of a move up that, I don't know if it's guaranteed. This could easily be an engulfing candle and to go down as well. So off of this, our reversal sequence looks like it's playing out right. But again, I look at this and it's like, it's really slow and it's trickling like price action. It's very inefficient. This looks like a classic algorithmic signature, which means that this is manipulation and we are literally manipulating right now. So we need to make sure we do not fall more into the manipulation. As you can see, right? So slow, right? You see efficient. So slow, we're trickling down. We are really wicky, right? So we want to see manipulation to the upside, right? Or to the, or if this continues, it continues. I don't want to enter this because of the fact that it's so slow, right? The algorithmic signatures are telling me that this is purely manipulation. We can't enter in this trade, right? So obviously I wait for it. I don't enter. If this trade goes down, I let it go down, right? Because it's not my trade. Right, again, boom. You see, everyone who was here probably got stopped out unless they had a stop above this high. This is literally manipulation, called it out right there when I was trading, right? From here, all right, you see this? All right, this is a FOMO candle to the upside, right? Now we're going to continue to move down. We're rebalanced 0.786 of this range, right? So again, I could have taken the short, but what I didn't like was we were about to create an SMT with ES. Already such improbable conditions right here. SMT on SMT on SMT, not delivering off anything. So I didn't want to take it and risk it. So this would have been an easy ass short, but again, I'm not trying to take that in these choppy ass conditions, right? Again, right here, this is exactly why you don't take a short. Like genuinely, this is exactly why. Like, look, you would have your stop up here if you were to enter, right? What is this wick? Like, I saw this wick happen in person. It wicked up for 0.1 of a second. Like, it's very, very bad conditions that we are trading in today. So you need to make sure if you're taking a trade, you take a trade that's a proper trade, right? So from there, we displace down, right? We're at 0.786 of the range, right? Again, we've rebalanced there, right? If we're looking to go up now, I'd like to see some sort of move to the upside, right? Based, you know, of this candle right here. So we've also got some more liquidity down here that we've generated, right? So we've got too much down here, right? So I'm now looking for shorts, but if we do decide to go up, right, and we don't show any signatures for shorts, then obviously I'm not going to be looking for shorts. Off of this, I see, what do? I see we create this candle right here. This is too weak. This is too weak. There's too many draws down here. I already know that this candle shows a failure of being able to go and deliver literally from the resweep of, not resweep, sorry. This is a failure of the 0.786 of the range, right? Where we are failing to deliver to the upside. This is a massive as wick. I saw it go push all the way up, come down. I enter short as we come down right here. Target 31 points within half a second, bro. Stop loss around here, but I didn't even have a stop loss because I literally know that this trade's gonna hit. Within 5 seconds, bro, 5 seconds, I just set my TP, bang, already done. Yes, you might be saying, bro, you could have held it all the way down here, which would have hit anyway. I know most of my trades end up running to a 2 or 3 RR, but again, I'm not trying to take these type of trades, and you know, I'm not trying to take these type of trades where I just like, I'm looking for consistency, and that's what I preach in all my videos, right? Again, could have targeted all of this, but I'm the type of guy, take 30 points, get out. I'm trying to be consistent. So yeah, that was pretty much the trade of the day. Very, very easy in these conditions. Made sure to avoid losses right here, right? Manipulation, 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 right? And you avoid losses over here as well if you're shorting. And over here is just chop. So this is A+ trade, but again, this requires an insane amount of discretion to be able to trust this wick. This is why I only trade on the 1 minute chart. I know how to read these 1 minute candles so precisely that I can just tell exactly what they do. So yeah, bro, that was pretty much the trade, and we'll see you in the next one. And make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and follow for more trade recaps, and follow the Instagram in the bio.